friends. Are you curious about dinosaur eggs? Do you want to know more about them? So, what exactly are dinosaur eggs? Well, they're like ancient baby cribs. Dinosaurs, you know, those big and cool creatures from a long time ago, hatched from these eggs just like birds do today. Dinosaur eggs come in all shapes and sizes, just like chicken eggs, but they tend to be much bigger. Imagine an egg as big as a basketball. That's how big some of them were. You won't believe where scientists have found dinosaur eggs. All over the world, from North America to Asia, and even right here in our neighborhood, dinosaur eggs have been discovered in so many places. Some were found in nests, just like a bird's nest. Others were buried deep underground, waiting for millions of years to be found by curious paleontologists. Now, here's something incredible. Dinosaurs, like good parents, took care of their eggs. They built nests to keep them safe and warm. Some even sat on their eggs, just like a mother hen. These big dinosaur parents protected their eggs from hungry predators and harsh weather so their little dinosaur babies could grow safely inside. Let's open up a dinosaur egg and see what's inside. Just kidding, we can't really do that. But we do know a few things. Inside a dinosaur egg, there's a baby dinosaur, of course, like a tiny version of the big ones. The baby dinosaur has a hard job to do, though. It has to crack its way out of the eggshell all by itself, just like when we crack open a chocolate egg on Easter. You might be wondering why dinosaur eggs are important. Well, they're like time capsules. When scientists find dinosaur eggs, they learn a lot about how these ancient creatures lived, hatched, and grew up. It's like putting together a big dinosaur puzzle with each egg they find, and it helps us understand Earth's history better. Some of the most famous dinosaur egg discoveries include the Gobi Desert in Mongolia and the Two Medicine Formation in Montana, USA. These places are like treasure troves for dinosaur eggs. Paleontologists found nests of dinosaur eggs in these areas, giving us valuable information about the lives of these incredible creatures. Did you know that you can be a dinosaur egg hunter, too? You won't find real eggs, but you can explore and dig up pretend dinosaur eggs in your own backyard or at a local park. It's a super fun and educational activity that can help you learn more about these ancient animals. So, there you have it, our adventure into the world of dinosaur eggs. They're like windows to the past, showing us what life was like for these amazing creatures.